Well, have a great day everyone. Hello, I'm Sasa. Today in this episode, I want to tell you about how to make cheese sandwich with Oreo chocolate. Well, don't go anywhere and stay tuned. Woo! Prepare the ingredients first, such as 8 slices of bread, a pack of Oreo, a can of condensed milk, and 2 packs of cheese. Let's make it. Here are the steps. First, break a pack of Oreo. And you have to take a fork and smash it. Then mix it with condensed milk, pour, and mix it. Come like this. Second, put 4 slices of bread with cheese.
Wow!
One, two, 3, 4 slices of bread. Third, spread 4 slices of bread with sprinkle Oreo chocolate. Fourth, grated cheese and sprinkle on them. Cover the Oreo chocolate bread with 4 slices of bread. Wow! Yummy! Finally, Oreo chocolate sandwich with cheese are ready to serve. So delicious. Well, better enjoy with drink milk. So yummy. Well, I think it's enough for me. Thank you for your attention. You can try at home.